having a blast. Gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely. If you want my respect, you'll better put direct. Here are the words in the podcast, that's what comes next.
Hello, my name is Mark Simpson and I give hosts just like you the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly, the confidence to go and get more direct bookings. And in today's lesson, podcast, video, whatever you want to call it, we're going to be talking about some big news from Google. So a couple of weeks ago, they announced that they are going to be swapping and changing and revolutionizing their Google Hotel Ads program. For those of you who doesn't know Google Hotel Ads, really simple. Go do a search on Google, look for your place on Google Business Listing and look at what appears. You'll normally see booking.com, Expedia, TripAdvisor, etc., etc. And they pay to be listed on there. They pay per click or pay per whatever. Now, there has been a case where us businesses can get in there, but it's very exclusive. You've either got to be a Google Hotel partner, which is very expensive, or you got to do it via your PMS, free to book, Avivo, Zevo, etc. Now, this is changing. Massive news. Everybody will be able to get a free link within there moving forward. So this is huge. Google Business Listing drives thousands upon thousands of traffic. First and foremost, if you haven't got a Google Business Listing, go and get one. It's free. If you need more help and guidance, just go check out the Boostly YouTube channel, type in Boostly, YouTube, Google Business Listing, and I've got a step-by-step video that shows you how to set it up. But once you've got it, it's so ridiculously powerful, you don't even realize how many people actually see this. And now what you're able to do finally is have a clickable link to your website, to your booking engine in Google Business Listing in the Google Hotel Ad section, and it's free. It won't cost you a penny. But Google, being Google, and they love to make money, you can actually pay them to be ranked in the top 3. Now, the details are still scarce even at this point, but what I recommend for you to do is to check it out. Keep an eye open. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to the podcast. Make sure you're in the hospitality community. Make sure that you are part of the Daily Boost, boostly.co.uk/Daily Boost, DAILYBOOST. Then you're part of the WhatsApp channel, and then you can get daily text messages and updates when there's big news to share. This is massive, one to keep hold of, but for now, just make sure that you are aware of it and go and get your Google Business Listing if not. Massive thank you to Uplisting who are sponsoring this podcast episode. Do go and check them out, boostly.co.uk/uplisting. And with that, I'll bid you adieu. Please do get in contact if you want to make sure that your website is ready to take direct bookings in 2021 and beyond. boostly.co.uk/WC to book in a call with one of our team members, and we will figure out if we can help you. I'll be back tomorrow for another lesson, another episode. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Whoa, having a blast. Gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.